Hey there, it's Coach I. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. This practice is about creating safety inside your body and freedom inside your mind. Whether you're listening in the morning or in the evening, let this be your space to reset, soften, and come home to yourself. Take a deep breath with me and let's begin. Welcome to day 11. Today, we're exploring something that affects every relationship in your life: friendships, siblings, family, close family, partners, even coworkers at times. We're talking about releasing control with the people you care about so you can create real, authentic, spacious connection. And this is important because control in relationship doesn't always look aggressive or forceful. Often it comes from love, from fear, from caring too much, from wanting to help, wanting to protect, from wanting the best for everyone. But no matter the intention, the impact is the same. Control limits connection. Control suffocates growth. Control replaces curiosity with pressure. And it makes people shrink instead of expand. So today, we're going to soften that pattern. So, why do we try to control loved ones? I'm curious. You see, control in relationships rarely comes from malice. It comes from fear, anxiety, past wounds, a desire to protect, wanting things to go well, wanting someone to avoid pain, wanting certainty, wanting closeness. If you grew up in environments where you had to manage emotions, predict reactions, fix things, keep the peace, or take care of others, then your nervous system learned connection is safer when I'm in control. So without realizing it, control becomes your way of managing discomfort, preventing disappointment, reducing risk, avoiding conflict, creating predictability, protecting yourself from emotional pain. But connection can't breathe in control. Connection needs space. So I'm going to share with you how control shows up in friendships and loved ones with some examples. Okay, so example one: trying to save someone from their choices. Your friend is dating someone you don't like, you see red flags, you feel protective, you might advise, push, worry, or over talk, but underneath all that is fear. You don't want them to get hurt. You know, you want them to choose better. You want them to be okay. But when you try to steer their path, you intentionally send a message of, I don't trust you. I know better than you, and you can't figure this out. So even if your intentions are beautiful, the impact can create distance. An example two: wanting loved ones to think like you. You share your opinions, your beliefs, your approach, and when they don't agree, your body tightens up. You try to explain more, you try to convince or guide them into seeing what you see. And this is your nervous system saying agreement equals safety, disagreement equals disconnection. But true connection can handle difference. Example three: managing their emotions. Your friend is upset, your instinct is to fix it, solve it, encourage them out of it, or tell them what to do. You're not trying to control them, you're trying to regulate your own discomfort with emotional intensity. Example four: expecting loved ones to behave a certain way. Your friend doesn't call back quickly, your sister forgets something important, your partner doesn't respond how you want. Suddenly, your mind spirals. Do they not care? Why can't they be more thoughtful? Why didn't they do it this way? This isn't being picky, it's a nervous system craving consistency and reassurance. Example five: giving advice instead of listening. Someone shares their problem, and without meaning to, you jump into solutions. Advice feels helpful, but it can also feel like control. They may not want answers, they may want presence, connection, not correction. Why control hurts relationships, even when you mean well? So here's the painful truth: When you try to control someone, their choices, emotions, pace, beliefs, or growth, you unintentionally send a message: I don't fully trust you. I don't believe you can handle this, and I know what's best for you. And this creates emotional distance, defensiveness, resentment, secrecy, and feeling misunderstood, lack of safety, and also feeling judged. Control blocks authenticity, not because you mean to, but because people can't breathe around expectations. Now imagine your relationships without control. Close your eyes if you can, or just breathe it softly. Just imagine this. In this first scenario, you listen without fixing. Your friend shares something heavy. Instead of jumping into solutions, you breathe, you soften, you make space. They feel seen, not managed, supported, not steered. The connection deepens. Scenario 2, you let loved ones make their own choices. You let go of trying to direct their path. You trust them to learn, grow, experiment, fail, rise, become. They feel empowered. Their confidence grows. Your relationship strengthens. Scenario 3, differences don't threaten you. You don't need agreement to feel close. You don't need sameness to feel safe. You stay grounded, secure, open. Your relationships feel richer, not smaller. Scenario 4, you stop managing emotional weather. You allow loved ones to feel what they feel. You don't fix, rescue, rush, or minimize. You trust their emotional resilience. You trust your ability to stay present without controlling. This is freedom. Scenario 5, you release expectations of how people should be. People become who they truly are around you, not who they think you want them to be. Your relationships become honest, authentic, warm, spacious, alive. Connection grows where control ends. Let's be clear. Releasing control is not being passive, allowing mistreatment, abandoning your boundaries, accepting harmful behavior. Releasing control is allowing others to think for themselves, trusting people to find their way, letting loved ones grow at their own pace, respecting difference, supporting without managing, and loving without gripping. This is emotional maturity. This is relational intelligence. This is the nervous system safety in action. Here's a gentle practice for you today. Place your hand over your heart. Breathe in slowly and exhale softly. Now repeat quietly. I allow people to be who they are. I release the need to manage others' paths. I create connection by making space, not control. I trust myself and I trust the people I love. Let these words settle into your body. And here's my closing thought for today. When you stop trying to manage the world of the people you love, something beautiful happens. They come closer, they open up, they trust you more, they shine brighter, they feel safer around you, and you feel lighter, calmer, and more grounded. Control might protect you, but connection transforms you. And you're learning how to choose connection now. You're doing beautifully. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Remember, every small moment of awareness creates a shift inside your body in your life. I'm curious, what was your shift today? Tell me, send me an email or a message. This is Coach I. If you ever have questions or want personal coaching, don't hesitate to reach out. You're not alone on this journey. And until next time, breathe deeply, take care of yourself, and I'll meet you again tomorrow.